Hey there. So, my 15-year-old told me this weekend that she wants to try duck breast. So, we're going to try it. Okay. Never made this before, but here we go. So, the first thing we have to do is score the duck breast. I put the camera the wrong way because I'm new to this. But you score the duck breast, seasoned with salt and pepper on both sides. I used orange pepper and regular salt. Okay, so there you see they're scored both ways, and apparently that allows the fat to render while you're cooking it. So here I got my cast iron skillet nice and hot, and I'm going to add some olive oil to it to cook the duck breast. So what you want to do is cook the duck breast skin side down, skin side down. And after you cook the duck breasts skin side down until they're brown, about 7 or 8 minutes, then you simply put them in the oven for another 12 to 15 minutes, which was quite surprising to me. I didn't know that they could be done so quickly. So I'm heating up the pan here. I want to make sure that it's nice and hot. And I also am moving the oil around because I want to make sure that it's fully coated. Now, the two duck breasts aren't going to take up all of this, but we're going to add some vegetables at the end. So there's one duck breast, skin side down, and here comes the second duck breast, skin side down, okay? So we let those go, and we come back when we are ready to flip them. This is exciting for me. I've never done this, so I was kind of hoping that it turned out well, and this actually turned out great. So there they are frying away, and I'm going to add the juice from the pan. I always want to get all the flavor, all the seasoning in. I was trying to get it on the duck breast, but it looked like it got more into the oil, but that's okay because when we put the vegetables in, they will need a little flavor too. All right. So on the other side of the stove, I've started cooking the potatoes. My daughter, my little sous chef, she made the potatoes to go with this. So she chopped them up very finely, and we have them boiling over there. So we will have some delicious mashed potatoes. Okay, so they've been cooking. There's the potatoes that we will later mash. And here are our vegetables. So I put some onions and some peppers because I had peppers. Okay, so turned it around, added the green onion, the thyme, and the onions and the peppers all to the skillet and put it into the oven for 15 minutes. And this is what it came out looking like. I was quite pleased. It looked interesting because it didn't look quite done. But what I did not know is that duck tastes more like steak than chicken, and it eats kind of the same way. So they were perfectly done. I went 15 plus minutes. I could have probably gone with the 12. And so here's my daughter's plate, and we're going to give it to her and see if this mommy's duck breasts are what she was looking for. So there she's pulling it apart, and she goes to bite into it thinking it's like chicken. It is not. It's definitely much more of a steaky texture. She liked it, and I liked it too. We topped it with honey and balsamic vinegar. A tablespoon of each makes a delicious glaze. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Have a positive day.